In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to spend out of goals in Monarch Money. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set up your goals so that spending from them feels organized and intentional. Start by heading to the Monarch Money app or website and signing in. From the main navigation, open the Goals area. This is your hub for creating and managing savings targets like a vacation, a new laptop, or building a buffer for emergencies. Once you're in, choose the option to add a new goal. Give it a clear name so you'll easily recognize it later. Next, set your goal targets. Enter the total amount you want to reach and, if you have one, a target date. A deadline helps Monarch calculate how much you should set aside each month. Choose a realistic timeline so your monthly contribution feels comfortable. If you're not sure, it's okay to start conservative and adjust later as your budget evolves. Continue to save your initial setup, then add any funds you've already saved. This step doesn't move money between accounts, it simply earmarks part of your existing balance for this goal. Think of it like labeling a slice of your savings specifically for that purpose. Enter what you've already put aside so your progress bar is accurate from day one. Now decide how much of your monthly income you plan to contribute to your goals. You can pick an amount that fits your budget or split contributions across multiple goals. If you're juggling a few priorities, consider starting with a modest monthly figure so you can build consistency. You can always increase contributions when things feel stable. Click to continue, and then view your goals. Here, you'll see each goal's balance, progress, and timeline. This is also the place where spending out of goals becomes straightforward. When you make a purchase that aligns with a goal, say you finally book those flights, you'll have a clearly tracked balance to cover it from. Keeping your goal funding up to date means you're not guessing, you're spending against a plan. A few tips as you go. Treat goals like digital envelopes, review them monthly, and adjust targets or contributions when your priorities change. If a deadline starts to feel tight, extend it rather than straining your budget. And if you add a lump sum, update the saved amount so your progress reflects reality. That's the full flow. Go to Monarch, open goals, add a goal, set targets, continue, add existing savings, choose a monthly contribution, continue, and then view your goals. With this setup in place, spending out of your goals is organized, intentional, and stress-free.